So welcome guys, now we've seen this problem in HackerRank called set dot difference operation. So what we have to do in this problem is, see, so the first circle represents the people who read English newspapers and the second circle represents the number of people who read French newspapers. So what we want to do, so see, this red part is actually the number of people who read both the newspapers, that is English as well as French, but we don't want these people. We want the people who read only English newspapers. So by only English, what they mean is they should not read the French newspaper at all. So this second circle should not be there at all in this answer. So what we want, this yellow one, the yellow area, I'll just change its area. So see, the color that I change, I want to calculate this thing. So to calculate it, what I'll do is I'll directly open the PyCharm and I'll take the inputs whatever they want. So English is the number of people who read English newspaper, so it is integer. And after that, English is the set of, and after that I'll use the map function, and it is a map of integers and input dot split. You can take it in by many methods. I like map function, that's why I just used it, because map is really important in HackerRank generally, that's why. And after that, you can use input dot split as well. It's more easy, but I have to convert them into integer, that's why I did it. And this is English, so it will be French. Yeah. And now we got the number of people who read English and French, so we got the both sets for English and French. So now what we have to do is we want the people who read only English and not French. So for that I'll use a for loop for going through people who read English. So for any I in English, so I reads English newspaper now, but what we have to do, we don't want I in French. So what I can do is, if I in French, we don't want this I, so we don't want anything to happen, so I'll just pass. So pass means it will not do anything. And in else, what we'll do, we'll just make an empty list now. Hold on. So L equals to an empty list, and in else I'll write L dot append I. So in this way we will get the people who read English newspapers. And one more way to do is, okay, hold on. Now what I'll do, if I not in, so this is actually easy, not in French. Not in is the opposite of not, obviously. So if this I is not there in French, then I'll append I'll again append L by I, and after that I'll print L dot count of I. And this is one way. One more method is, you can just start a normal counter instead of the list and all, instead of appending a list and all. So we want this thing to happen if I not in French. So what I'll do is C plus equals to 1. So it will just append the people who read in English, because we just want the count, we don't want the actual people. And after that I can just simply print out C. So I'll just run this code and check it from the sample inputs. So I'll just copy it. We want the answer output to be 4. Okay, so I'll just check it once. Yeah, it is 4, so it is right. So this is one way, and one more way actually. So see, what is this problem? This problem is in sets theory. See, sets in Python, sets where we have to understand what are sets. So for that we have to use this the name actually of the problem, set dot difference operation. So what does this set dot difference operation is do? It just takes in A, and so see, this is the syntax actually. So it just uses A minus B. That's what it does simply. So we just have, so see this example actually, hacker and rank. So it just took the number of elements that are there in hacker and that are not there in rank. It just printed out those elements. That's what we are supposed to do. So what I'll do is, I'll just make any empty list L equals to English dot difference with French. And see, this is one important thing, because you cannot write French dot difference of English. Same thing. We can't, because 1 minus 2 is minus 1, but 2 minus 1 is 1. That's why. So we want the difference of English minus French, because we want the English people. That's why. And after that, I just have to, first of all, let us try to print L so that we understand it first. So let us see. So see, these people read English and these people read French. And when I took the difference, so see, 10 is not there, so fine. But it removed 1, 2 and 3, because 1, 2 and 3 is there in that list. After that, it actually did everything, so I don't need to explain it again. And let us print out count first. So what I'll do is, I'll simply print out length of L actually. So when I print out length of L and I paste the sample input, it got me 4, so it is right. One more thing you can do is, you can write L equals to English minus French instead of using difference and all. This is one more way. And this is the same L, so I'll have to print the length of L now and run this code. Let us check it once more, and 4, so it is right. So I'll just copy this whole thing and paste it on HackerRank so that we can verify all the sample test cases. Yeah, every test case satisfies, there's no error. So that's all. Thank you.